Welcome to Barrick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2019 built but model year 20 Mitsubishi Outlander ES. Now on such low kilometers and such great value, it is an incredible car and it is not going to last long. However, I'm going to walk you around, give you a rundown of the features, and let me just tell you right now, the condition is going to present pretty much like new. So starting at the front end, the Mitsubishi Outlander does get that dynamic shield look at the front. It is a very elegant design and you do get those nice sharp headlights there with the projector beams and your daytime running lamps. Along the side of the vehicle, you do get a nice set of alloy wheels as well, which are completely unmarked, and a great set of tires there as well. Great tread in those tires. Now, in the quarter panel here, you do get the indicator just built in there, and your side mirrors are color matched with your door handles. Now, if you have a look in the inside quickly, I'm just going to unlock the car and show you the seats. Such low kilometers, once again, are in great condition. Your seat adjusters are just on the side here, and you have got your electric lumbar control just there as well. Now, the door trims and the scuff guards, where people tend to kick them and get a bit lazy getting in and out, there is very minimal marking there as well. On the windows, you do not have any tint, so please do ask us about the premium tint options we have. It would contrast quite nicely with the white paintwork, but it will also give you the UV heat reduction and safety benefits of the window tinting as well. That next wheel, once again, is completely unmarked. Now, along the back end of the vehicle, you can see Mitsubishi has gone above and beyond with their tailline design. You have got the 3 LED lights in the tail lights, and you have also got a reverse camera just in here. I will note the ES does not come with reverse parking sensors at all. In the back end, being a 7-seater, you do not lose any space with those third row of seats. However, if you did want to fold them up, it is nice and easy. You just pull that handle and they're up. Just fold them back down, pull the handle on top and drop them back down. We'll close that back up and we'll make our way along the passenger side. Now, on the passenger side, it is, once again, remarkable condition, but you do get the fuel filler cap on the passenger side. That next wheel, once again, is completely unmarked. Now, if we come around to the last and final wheel, once again, that one is completely unmarked. Something I would highly recommend, considering the beautiful, almost new condition of this car and your incredible savings. Do ask us about the Glasscoat option we have available and how that's actually going to offer you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. We can also tie that in with the premium window tint options as well. But for now, guys, what we're going to do is actually pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright guys, taking a look inside the bonnet now, what we have is Mitsubishi's iconic 2.4 litre 4-cylinder MY20 engine. It does have a 6-speed automatic gearbox as well. Now, great thing to note when you are buying a 7-seater, especially if it is a family car, it does have an ANCAP safety rating of 5 stars with 7 airbags. Now, the power output from the engine is 124 kilowatts with a torque rating of 220 Newton meters. You get a fuel tank that holds 63 liters of 91, and the combined fuel consumption, depending on your driving style, is about 7.2 liters per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 875 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Outlander now, on the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. They are all automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking and your power mirror controls. Now on the right hand side here, you've got the button for your forward collision mitigation. Now, if you want more information on any of the safety systems in the Outlander, please do ask us about it. On the right hand side here, you've got your stability control and your headlight adjusters. The right hand stalk, you've got your fog lights, indicators and your dusk sensing headlights. Now on the left hand side here, you've got all your washer and rain sensing wiper controls. Now on the center display, it is Mitsubishi's updated 8-inch display. You have got AM and FM and digital radio, but you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down the bottom here, you've got dual zone climate control, so just pressing auto, changing the temperature, the passenger and driver can both have their own temperatures. Down the bottom here, you've got a USB port, eco mode and a 12-volt socket. Just in here, you do get 2 cup holders as well, which hide away nice and neatly when you're not using them. The electric park brake is just in here as well. You've got another auto hold function just here, and that center console does have plenty of space in it for anything you might need to store in there. Now, just quickly panning around the interior, you will notice it is in great condition, and you'd probably expect nothing less for such low kilometers. So don't miss this deal. But for now, guys, what we're going to do is jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Outlander. Now, as you can see, it is in great condition and for such great value. As I mentioned earlier, do ask us about the Glasscoat and how that's going to offer you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork. The other thing I'd highly recommend, which this car does qualify for, is a Platinum 1 program. Now that does give you another 5 years of cover on pretty much a new car warranty. You get $5,000 per claim on that plan as well, and it will start after your new car warranty has ended. You also get up to 10 years of premium nationwide roadside assistance with that. Now, if you are looking for finance options, or you did want to tie in a package with your finance to fit in some accessories, protective options, and that Platinum 1 program, please give us a call and speak to our business manager, Julie or Mario, because they will tailor a package to suit your needs, which will fit in everything for you. Now, just before I go, you also need to ask us about our Google reviews, or Google Berwick Mitsubishi and have a read of what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are buying a great quality vehicle from the right people, and we're going to look after you from start to finish as well. If you have any questions at all, guys, the number to dial is 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.